safe. Yeah. My debate is on what are annoying, more annoying, little brothers or little sisters.
Depends on what gender you are.
Yeah. Well, Kayla, that's a whole thing. What are more annoying?
No, it depends on what gender you
Well,
are.
not really.
Yeah. If you are a girl and you have a younger sister, she says you your shit. If you have a younger brother, he talks to your shit. He's just gonna be laying and hit on all his friends.
Are you saying Bubba hits on his friend?
No, but I'm saying
You wouldn't have the experience with this at all. You only have a little brother. I have a little sister
I
and
have
a little brother.
2 little brothers and a little brother.
What? What is different? Are you saying your brother from England hits on your friend? He lives in England. How is he going to hit on your friends?
It's called online. Cyber sex.
I'm pretty sure he hasn't had cyber sex with any of his friends online. No. Yeah. And I think little sisters are more annoying because when they become older, they go through that. They go through that stage that they're like, oh, so hot. I'm so cool because I'm in grade 5.
You shouldn't be doing
You shouldn't be doing that. Like, and how they start saying like and totally. Like, have you ever seen? Exactly. I feel bad for her older than me. Like, calm down. Okay. So, and they won't take your shit. Like, when they get older, they'll be like, oh, you. I'm better than you.
And I
better than
shouldn't be doing
everyone."
that.
And I shouldn't be doing the stuff I do, but I do because it makes me cool. Like being Jake Lewis's sister. I know, like, some kids smoke because they like it. Others smoke because they think they're cool.
Where is this coming from?
Josh Beaudry. And mostly girls do it. Like, okay, smoking isn't really attractive. It's kind of gross and it fills your lungs with tar. And I'm pretty sure no one wants to kiss someone after they smoke. It's kind of nasty.
Just farting to the time of
What?
It's gross. I know it.
How is that?
I know.
I used to smoke. It's different if they both smoke. Yeah. You're not supposed to be agreeing on things.
I'm sorry. I don't disagree with what you were saying.
Little sisters, I'm only knowing because usually, guys, they can be good, but like they'll get in a fight and they won't cry about it. They'll get the shit beat out of them.
So now you're like making fun of girls because like
I'm not making. Okay, how many girls do you know that just fight and then stop right after? They like punch each other in the face and stop. Have you ever seen that with a girl? Exactly. Girls make the drama worse.
I don't try and make drama though. I'm just really emotional person.
Okay, I understand. But like, people who do it for fun, like, oh my gosh, you stole my boyfriend. No, I didn't. Oh my gosh, yes you did. Like, you guys weren't even dating. You were going to until you came around. What's wrong with you? Gosh, he's mine. Back off it. And they like push and like slap and rip each other's clothes off.
It's exciting.
Anyways, but the point is, girls beat the shit out of the chick if they're bothering you, then drop it. They won't fuck with you anymore. Get that through your head and stop making it worse. Because sometimes the cops get involved, and I bet they don't want to deal with a bunch of moody teenagers who just like the thrill of the fight. Okay, like, it's just annoying. I need a pedicure. What's a pedicure? Oh. Why?
Because people with their feet don't look nice. I don't know.
I would like one. I would like a pedicure. That shit is gross, man. That seems disgusting. Anyways, here's another debate. Everything girls can do, guys can do better.
You think?
I think.
Okay.
Okay, name one thing you're better at.
Hold on, I gotta think.
There we
There's
go.
just so many options that I'm better at.
Right. Like what? Name one.
I don't know yet.
Exactly. Let's see. Anyways, anything you can do, I can do better. I don't know the word. Yeah. Let's see. Tell me. What do girls have that guys don't?
A vagina.
Besides that.
Oh.
See, here's another thing. Pain isn't painful for sex isn't painful for guys because
Yeah.
yeah,
I think it's,
you understand unless you're like gay and get it.
you get it.
But I'm not sure if anyone anyways, probably much more enjoyable for guys. Yeah. I think that was cool. Barbie sucks.
It's just so popular now.
Yeah. 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 Wait, what? Oh my god. Me and Chad last night. Oh my god. Why are you touching me? We were on the phone and he was reading these things online. And he's like, never trust anything that bleeds for 5 days and doesn't die. And he was talking about girls. And I laughed my ass. Oh, that's great. I should keep that in.
I laughed.
This isn't a debate anymore. No. Yeah. Here's another thing. I know Kayla will agree with me on this. People, stop being so touchy. We don't like to feel like someone's gonna crush your entire body. It's not a turn on once your stomach is closed.
And I hate when people are like, look how close I'm getting.
Look how close I'm getting. Oh yeah.
JD.
Yeah,
Hey,
JD.
look how close I'm getting. No, don't get any closer.
Well, apparently our debate has turned into a rant. So we'll start a new video because I highly doubt anyone wants to watch 8 minutes of us.
We talk about JD. It's a good video.